Thank you, Madam Chair, for items S11 and F19. These are all applications for accreditation of civil society organizations in the city of Iloilo. To expedite our proceedings, Madam Chair, I will collectively discuss these items after reviewing all these applications and the discussion held with them during our individual consultation. It was determined that they were able to comply with our criteria set forth under the relevant laws, rules, regulations, as well as submit all the necessary documents required for implementation of civil society organizations in Iloilo City. With this, I move to pass 9 separate resolutions approving the following application for accreditation and civil society organization, non-governmental organization in the city of Iloilo. Number 1, Shillong City Support Community Inc. Number 2, F F12 Convergence for Organizational Resilience and Environment Philippines Inc. Number 3, Philippines Chamber of Commerce and
Resilience and Empowerment. English, empowerment. Empowerment.
Empowerment.
Yeah. Please proceed.
Number 3, Philippines Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Iloilo Chapter Inc. Number 4, Homeless People's Federation Philippines Inc. Number 5, Technical Assistance Movement for People and Environment Inc. Number 6, Signpost Philippines Inc. Number 7, Arise Consumers Cooperative. Number 8, Family Planning Organization of Philippines, Community Health Care Birthing Center and Laboratory Inc. Number 9, the Association of Dedicated Values Ordained Chaplains, Advocators Toward Excellent Service Inc. So move.
It has been moved and seconded. Yes, Councilor Cabaluna, you have the floor.
Madam Chair, just want to ask, ang last bala, ang Councilor, ang ining F19, Association of Dedicated Values Ordained Chaplains, Advocators Towards Excellent Services. I just wanna, I don't know, kaya mas aware ka sa inyo, sa nature nila. Usually, basta mga religious, wala tabla gina-credit, ay basi, it is violative of separation of church and state. Tapos, but I don't know kung anong nature, basi chaplain advocator sila. Pero kung chaplain sila, I presume kasi mamba sila, accredited kami sang state. Yati, you know, I think the freedom of religion might be a problem in terms of that, no? Just mo lang yung initial nga nagasulod sa ulo ko, no? Maybe what is the nature of this organization? Kaya kung religious sila, if we accredit one religion, it will or chaplains of a particular sector, it might also be violative of certain of the Constitution. I just want to put that on the table for consideration of the committee, Madam Chair.